How to log in to your Instagram account. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To log into your Instagram account, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open your Instagram app and then you will see this kind of page. Alright, wait a minute. Before starting this tutorial, comment down below what device you use. Comment down the phone you are using and we have subscribed for you. So after you open Instagram, you will find this option, username, email address or mobile. So simply tap on it. You can enter any of your username, email address or phone number associated with your Instagram account. So simply type whatever it is. So after typing, go to the next box, password. So simply tap on this password box and then enter your password. So after typing your password, tap on this login option right below it. And within few seconds, your Instagram account will be successfully logged in. And then you will see this page, save your login info. If you want to save, simply tap on save or else tap on not now. And right after it, you are successfully logged into Instagram. So that's all you need to do to log into your Instagram account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.